ॐ परतत्त्वे सदा लीनो रामकृष्णसमाज्ञया यो धर्मस्थापनरतो वीरेशं तं नमाम्यहम्. Our Sashtang pranams to Most Revered Srimad Swami Gautamanand Ji Maharaj. Our pranams to our manager, Revered Swami Dharmishtananda Ji Maharaj. Our pranams to all the respected elderly monks, devotees, well-wishers, and Swamiji's hands. We thank you for your patience and your participation in this program. This Vivekananda Navaratri has got its significance, so it's an effort to reach to you all. Our Swami Raghunayakanandaji Maharaj gave a brief introduction about the activities of Vivekananda Cultural Center. Maharaj, we thank you for the information. It was very useful, and the students who will avail the facility of VCC will get benefited from your information. We thanks for your presentation, Maharaj. Next, it was a glimpses of Swami Vivekananda in Chennai. It was very useful information and very attractive presentation too. We thank the entire team who prepared this presentation. Third, it was a meditation. Meditation with Omkara was, it gave a solace to our mind, our thoughts. Generally, we could able to visit Swamiji's room, but through online we could able to see the Swamiji's room. Thanks to this facility, the Omkara followed by the Swami Sarvagananji's bhajan was very melodious. We thank the entire team who created that meditation presentation. Next, our thanks to Swami Satyaprabhanandaji Maharaj for his short and very effective Swamiji's message. Maharaj, you told that through this online we cannot reach to people. There will be no direct contact like that. But your message of Swamiji was heart touching. It directly reached to us. Thanks for your speech. I'm sure many will get benefited from this. Next, I thank Sylvie Anhita for her very meaningful journey in the Vivekananda Illam and her way of expression. Ma, you told after this pandemic, people should come to Vivekananda Illam. Certainly, those who participated in this program will come to Vivekananda Illam. Last but not least, I thank Srimati Sudha Prasad and her students for presenting a very melodious bhajans and taken us all in the path of divinity. Thanks. I thank to one and all who made this program a successful one, especially the technical team, VCC, and all those who are directly or indirectly participated and contributed to this program in making this program a grand success. I thank one and all. Thank you. Hari Om. Sarvam Shri Ram Krishna Arpanamastu.